how to connect OKX wallet to Hamster Kombat. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open the Telegram app on your device and sign into your account. Head over to Hamster Kombat bot and click on the play button to start playing the application on your Telegram app. Now, this will redirect you to the latest version of Hamster Kombat. You get redirected to your homepage where you'll be able to find your profit per hour and the app where you want to move your cryptocurrency to. So you can just go ahead and click on the app icon on the choose exchange to change this. So if you're planning to use or connect OKX, you can just go ahead and select OKX from this exchange selection. Now, after you choose OKX in this selection, go ahead and head over to the earn section where you can find tasks to earn more. Now, on the airdrop section, you'll be able to find the total hamster along the transfer to Binance hamster tokens that you've made on the platform. Just go ahead and head over to the withdrawal section to be able to connect your OKX wallet to Hamster Kombat account. In here, you'll usually find all of the cryptocurrency application where you can connect your Hamster Kombat account. But due to the latest update of Hamster Kombat, section is unavailable and still under construction.